Hello my people, if you never sabi cook jollof rice from the scratch, jollof rice wey dey as in smoky jollof rice wey dey comot smoke like tomorrow no dey, gather here. So what I'm making today is jollof rice. For those that have never learned how to cook jollof rice, gather here, let's do it together. Please guys, if you've never subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and turn on your notifications so whenever I upload a video like this, guys, you wouldn't say I don't really know exactly when you usually upload your video. Please kindly subscribe and turn on your notification. Thank you. Okay, without being said, guys, we are making jollof rice. I'm gonna show you the ingredients I use on this jollof rice, which gonna make your jollof rice look yummy, taste good, as in look delicious. Guys, don't go anywhere. What I have with you here, guys, and another secret here, kindly prepare your things. I have tomatoes, bell pepper, onions, rice itself. Okay, let's dive into this. Firstly, boil your rice. Some people don't like boiling their rice, but if you feel like to wash your rice like that, kindly go ahead to wash your rice. Okay, let's start cooking proper. Guys, transfer your pot to the gas, then add oil. Guys, add some oil. When your oil is heat a bit, kindly add your onions. Guys, don't joke with onions whenever you want to cook your jollof rice. I do a lot with onions, so kindly add your onions. So I've added onions and my garlic, sliced garlic. So the next thing I added here is my blended tomatoes. Guys, without blended tomatoes, guys, your jollof rice is no gonna as in look colorful. Make sure you add a lot of tomatoes so that it will greater and look so yummy. Okay, so we've added our blended tomatoes. Guys, we're gonna also add tin tomatoes here if you really want your as in jollof rice to look yummy and look delicious, guys. So fresh tomatoes usually come with water, so we're gonna fry it a bit to make sure all the water dries. So the next thing I'm adding here now is my bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, onions, the blended one, and my scotch bonnet pepper. So I blended all of them together. I've added them. So for those trying to cook this jollof rice, have never known how to cook it from the scratch, this is the way you need to learn how to start cooking it to taste good and sweet, guys. And if you want to learn this from the scratch, don't skip this video, kindly watch from the beginning to the end. So the next thing I added here is my tomato paste. You can't cook your jollof rice without adding tomato paste if you really want your jollof rice to look very colorful and yummy. So that's it. We've added our tomato paste. So stir it to make sure the water dries very well. Guys, continue stirring it, mix everything thoroughly together. So let's wait for another thing to add. So we are adding now our crayfish. You can't joke with crayfish whenever you are cooking your jollof rice. It's very, very important. You're gonna give your jollof rice some kind of aroma and it will bring out the taste of your jollof rice. If you are avoiding adding crayfish on your jollof rice, kindly stop avoiding it. Kindly start now to be adding it. So the next thing we've added here is our major main ingredient, which is our rice. So and we've added maggi here, curry powder, thyme and salt. So we've added our rice. The next thing to add is my sardine. Guys, I don't joke with sardine whenever I'm cooking my jollof rice. Guys, if you've never started adding sardine on your jollof rice, kindly start now and thank me later. So another thing I added here is my meat. I just sliced small meat, red meat, to add it. Why did I use red meat? Is because of the juicy water, for me to get the red meat juicy, because it also brings the taste from my jollof rice. It bring out the taste of the jollof rice. So go ahead and use any meat of your choice. Guys, the next thing I added here now is my pepper. All these as in thyme pepper, rosemary pepper, dry rosemary pepper, is also bring out the taste for the jollof rice. So if you are not adding it before, kindly add it. So for your jollof rice to keep on tasting good and looking yummy and tasting to look delicious or sweet you wella, guys, you needed all these. Make I no consume my mouth. So for your the jollof rice to taste good, all these things, all these ingredients need to be added here, but add them with minor. Don't over add maggi, don't over add salt, just in moderation. Guys, I think I've added everything. Then add the quantities of water this can contain. Cover it to cook it for like 2 minutes. Be checking it, because jollof rice usually get burnt from the bottom whenever you are cooking it, if you are not as in checking it often and on. So I think our food is about to be done, so I'm checking it, I'm turning it the last one. And don't overturn your jollof rice, because the more you are turning it, the more it's getting burnt. Guys, just turn it as in with styles. Okay, so guys, our food is ready. Guys, I can't feed you and spoon feed you. Kindly get your spoon and fork. Let me know how you usually go about cooking your jollof rice. This is so yummy. Thanks for watching.